right next to the boat, you guys. You pop up next to the boat, the first thing you want to do is grab a hold of this chicken line, this blue and white striped rope that runs along the outside of the boat. So that way you stay floating with us. You don't go taking off in another direction, and then we gotta go chase you down or anything like that, all right? Cool. Now, if you fall out of the boat and you're just out of arm's reach of that chicken line, you still have your paddle in your hand, this is your quickest ticket back to the boat, you guys. You just reach out that T-grip, someone in the boat will grab it, pull you in, get you hold onto that chicken line. And same goes for you guys in the boat. If you see somebody just out of reach, be kind, reach out that T-grip. Don't reach out this end, you guys. It's a lot harder to grab onto. Go ahead and try to grab that. Oh, both hands, that's cheating, whatever. Go for that rock.
Are you full of confidence now?
Oh yeah. I'm very confident. You guys are great listeners so far.
You guys must have a death wish or something to go on with rookies like this.
Your foot locked in?
Yeah.
Mine is. Your back foot?
I'm more worried about you.
It'll suck it in.
How long? Matthew McConaughey, you can say swear words.
All right.
All right.
Yeah. Are you? If you want, you can lean out and dunk your head in the water. That's good to do. It's a good way to cool down.
Good. You're welcome. Happy birthday, Richard. Can I have some water? That one's mine.
Oh yeah, you can just do what everybody else is doing. You can stick it up under their thorn too.
Dad, can I have your water?
Sure.
Happy birthday, dear Richard. Woo! Happy birthday to you.
I'd drag you in.
16. Woohoo!
Many more.
Leroy, how you doing, buddy?
Leroy Jenkins. Alger. I can't.
Coming down here.
Yeah.
That's the bottom.
They're not nearly as
Jerry, you gotta
coordinated
take
as
pictures
we are.
now. I know. What up?
Guys, it's a nice paddler.
Picture of them and this stuff.
I'm not joking.
They don't. There we are. Whoa! Her back.
All right. And here comes our last one. Make sure to stay in sync.
Next time I'll bring a rope.
So you saw how we got hung up on that rock at the very beginning of the day, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So when I lost my teeth, that rock sticking out of the water right there, that brown one about midway up the rapid, we got hung up on that. These guys are gonna ram us.
Uh-oh.
Hold on!
Back paddle! Back paddle! Back paddle!
I'll remember this.
You're out of control.
Back to the story.
Yeah.
The
So,
rock.
anyway, we basically got hung up in the same way, except for instead of staying pointed downstream, the boat spun us around. I'll tell you the stories we rolled. Let's go forward. The blade in the water, it was so shallow that the blade wedged between two rocks and the current, bam!
Oh man.
The scar on my thumb is from where I bit my thumb and cracked this one up right under the gums and chipped this one in half.
That's just gotta hurt.
You know, that's because of all the glacial bump. It's because of all the glacial chill. But as we get into Glacier Creek here, it's going to run brown from all the clear cuts coming down. All forward. It's a cool blending of colors, though. Pretty drastic difference. I'm scared today. That's why it was so hard.
Anyway, Sherry, they were like.
Pretty drastic difference. I'm scared today. That's why it was so hard.
Anyway, Sherry, they were like.
I'm basically in the free.
Ready?
Okay. Okay, do it.
Okay, that was good.
That's how you pull them in the boat, right there.
Look at them right there. That feels good. I feel warm now. I feel really warm.
And then you're gonna.
You feel that? I feel really warm. Lonely is enough.
Lean in.
Whoa.
So up here they've been doing a lot of river restoration work. All these log jams are constructed log jams. They call them engineered log jams, and they're built for the purpose of restoring salmon habitat. Salmon prefer to spawn in streams that have a braided or branching form and have big cobble beds. And so they built these with the expectation that in the spring when the floods come, they're going to create extra channels for those salmon to spawn in.
Nice. So it's the first year they've done it?
No, they've been doing this for a number of years. And those channels have been created, but we're here at the low water time of year, so they're not occupied, they're not wet channels right now. That's at
When all the water level raises up, it goes into these areas.
That's right. And let's go forward! I know how it goes.
Relax.
Yeah.
We're already relaxed.
Seems like yesterday.
Let's back paddle.
Back paddle.
Back paddle!
Back paddle!
Back.
Relax. We're gonna go over this little gravel cobble bar here. And it's gonna
Gravel cobble bar.
I want some cobbler.
The work that I do when I'm not doing this job is I'm monitoring a couple of projects like this where they've done restoration on some streams. We take water quality data and all sorts of stuff, survey which salmon are there.
Nice.
Let's go forward, nice and easy. Actually, scratch that. Dig it in, paddle forward.
Dig it in.
It's like a massage for your feet.
Lean in if you need to. And forward again, all forward. Relax.
When you run into those areas where you get the nice cool air.
Yeah,
Good.
relief, huh?
Yeah, there's
Got some arm muscles after this.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to move tomorrow. Do we have to? Oh, yeah.
good thing we don't have anything planned for tomorrow.
At least
There's an elevator at the Space Needle. Don't worry about it.
We should take the
we won't have
stairs.
to get up. We should take the stairs.
Do they have stairs to the space?
Sure they do. You gotta get out.
Wouldn't that be crazy to be climbing a ladder to the top of it?
They give everybody a parachute. Good luck.
I know, right? Yeah. Go where the winds take you.
Those of you who know how to use this, here to go. Taking the chute, but I want my dog to go.
Look at that. Hey, what's that?
If you didn't know, the native name for Mount Baker was Komokoshin, which means the White Watcher.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, my potion.
Como Koshin.
So,
We're safe.
glad you're up front.
Go forward, nice and easy.
I'm holding up better than I thought it was.
All right.
Well, just when we were in the ramp doing the test when he was teaching us, I was dying. This is really going to be rough.
Gravel's not very fun to paddle.
No, it's
Let's
not.
go forward, all forward. Chill out.
Wow, put us.
Okay, well, we're
It's the
stuck.
second
We're stuck
time.
now.
That's why. That's why.
Get a hold of that guy.
Andy down.
Well, now what? I'll get Andy. Don't worry,
Did
Andy.
you capture that on video?
Oh yeah.
You better YouTube that with my name right
Okay.
there.
Andy.
Professional now.
Hashtag
All right, let's go forward. 2 strokes. Debris in a river. Which is great for the river, but not so great for boating. Hang on a second though. Let's go forward. And relax. The Methow and the Wenatchee are 3s because they have real nice big waves.
Oh, cool. Hope to do that next.
The Hyacinth has both.
Big waves.
We're gonna have to practice.
The Hyacinth has both.
But can you do that this time of year, or is it too
That's
late?
in like later August, early September.
Nice.
Through September, really.
Looks like another birthday present.
It's a great Labor Day trip to have.
We know what Eric's getting for his 17th birthday.
We're gonna have to practice our forward.
And relax.
When we did the Wenatchee, we were the only boat that was able
How many
to go
times
in
have you
the
done this river?
Oh, wow. Because it was around the curve, and you had to, like, scoop into it out. We got in the right position to go in and hold.
Probably not that many. You don't usually get.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Woo!
So far, we're okay.
Yeah. This is probably 50. Probably like 20, 25. You do that when you drive.
Does it always seem a little different? Or is it...
Oh, it's always different. Yeah, every time. All forward!
All forward.
And relax. Yeah, I mean, every time the spring floods come through, they scour the bank and river and change the features on the bottom, change the roughness, change where the waves are at and rapids. Sometimes the river takes whole different channels every year, which is a natural process that we tend to encourage with those restoration projects, but it means that we run a scout trip every year to make sure we know where are the good channels to take.
Or stacked rocks.
So barring any crazy weather, once you kind of figure it out, it's similar most of the way.
Let's go left back. Never mind, back on the back paddle. Back paddle again. Lean in. Keep back paddling. Just got sucked in to the side, that's all. Alright, relax, that's good.